Hey guys, I'm back with another Diamond Select Toys figure review. We got the Captain America one. It's got a nice little setup thing there for the little base. Interchangeable hands, which is super cool. Shield's also awesome. The face on him is really, really cool. Very well detailed and everything. The whole figure also, per usual, looks spectacular. Arms move pretty well. The shield is a little loose on the arm, but it's not too bad. Give me a nice kick there. So yeah, it's easily to move around and move his head, and very, very cool figure indeed. So yeah, let's give you a full spin here. Check him out. There you go. Check him out.